So it's almost Halloween. So what I'm going to do for this front window is do one of those hologram things. I'll show you how I do it. I haven't done it before, so we're going to try it out. I'm going to show you how I did it, and I'll try to put any links for what you need in the description. So I got my shower curtain up, and what I did for that is, on the shower curtains, you got the holes along the top. So I just put a nail there. Since this stuff isn't finished anyway, I wasn't worried about putting holes in it. Put a hole there, or a nail. Then at the bottom I put nails with these little like paper clips to hold it, so I can take it off real easy. So I can take it down during the day, put it up at night. Do that on both sides. The only thing that you really want to try to get out is all those, the wrinkles or the creases from its packaging. So you got that up. And I'm going to try to keep the picture between this frame here for that other window and here. So I'll try to keep it just in that middle section of the picture window here in the front. Then you're going to get your projector set up. You're going to have to maybe put some stuff underneath it, get it angled just right so it can project onto that window. And my suggestion would be to keep this lower than the window, so it's actually aiming up. That way from outside you don't see this strong light coming from like the middle of what you're projecting. And for this projector, you see all these, you have this here, which will adjust the angle of the picture, so it'll flip like this, forward or back. That's what that will do. And why I'm using the roku I got is because that will connect to your phone or a tablet, and then you can use pictures from YouTube to project. So just hook that into the HDMI port. Now this projector is kind of old and it has some faded spots in the picture, whatever, but for what I'm trying out and using it for, like, I'm not going to buy something new. So I'm going to use this old one. But you can see it's still light outside, so I'm not going to be able to do anything until later. Alright, so I put this board here just so I can do some adjustments before it goes on the window. And as you can see on the window, with those clips, I can clip it up out of the way during the day. So turn this on. You can see it has spots on there. The projector's old, it isn't that good, but you can see how this kind of adjusts the tilt. And this will adjust the focus. It's probably a little close for that, but it also comes with a remote. So you're going to want to, in your settings, if you can see. Alright, I think that's too close. I have to readjust. I think that's too close to figure that out. Alright, so I moved that back, that little board up in the window, just so I could read that. And then you want to go for projector direction, and you click it till it's looking right. We want to do one that's from the back. So I think this would be set so if you're looking at it like we were watching it from here, and this is set so we see it as reverse, but on the other side you'll see it as just normal. And then we're going to want to go to source, and I have it hooked up to the HDMI 1, or I thought I did. Nope, I have an HDMI 2. So that brings me up to my Roku, which you can see here. I got the little Roku. I don't know if you can see the picture on that little piece of foam board, but there's fish swimming. And that's not going to work for Halloween. So I'm going to take this, my tablet, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and my playlist, and I'll go to the Halloween Projector playlist that I've made. And once I play it, oh, well, there's a commercial. So, and I can't skip the commercial. Alright, so after the commercial, you see it's just ghosts going around. And then I go up this little button here, and it brings my Roku Premiere. And now it's connecting to it. Hopefully I picked the right one. Otherwise I'll have to go back and pick the other one. Okay, I think it's playing on the wrong one. Try that again. Alright, see now you can see it says YouTube on that board. So it's connecting. Okay, it is playing on there. Let's see if I can move it around and see if we get the... There you go. So you can see the ghosts. Yeah, see the ghosts on there. So we just gotta wait till it gets darker, and then we'll I'll put the thing down, or I'll put the shower curtain down, and then we'll go outside and take a look and see how it looks. But that's how it's gonna be set up. And I'll also have, if you go to my channel, or if you look at my channel, you'll see I'll also have for a playlist, I'll have a Christmas one. I only got 3 on there right now is all I found, but you'll be able to do some Christmas videos too for that holiday. And if you want, I can make other ones for other holidays. But for now, let's wait till, or I'm gonna wait till it gets dark. For you, it'll be instantaneous. All right, so it's finally dark enough. And let's see how this works. You can see that it's an old projector and it has some problems as far as picture, but I am not going to buy a new one just for this. So right now it shows, I'll turn the light off. So right now it shows like an aquarium fish. That's just kind of it's kind of like a default for the Roku when you first turn it on. And then now I have it casting from my tablet, from my YouTube, to the screen, and let's take a look at how it looks outside. And then here's how it looks from outside. I should probably move the projector back a little bit. But you can see the lines in there. It's from a old projector that I stopped using because of those lines. You move it back to fill up the window and adjust how you see necessary, and that shower curtain worked well. So I mean, I paid $2.99 for that shower curtain. $2.99 or $3.99, one of the two. But for what I'm using it for, it works good. You can see the picture just fine. I mean, you could run and add speakers to the outside so you have sound for stuff. But what do you say we take a look at some of the Christmas stuff? So there's that. I'm gonna go, I got my tablet here. See what else we can find on here to play. Some like zombies crawling. Some ghosts. That one works pretty good. Still need to move the projector back. Second. And then you can also do Christmas. Here we got Santa walking around. It's just a winter kind of scene. Blot really shows up on this. Let's go back to the Halloween ones. Oop, push the wrong button. There we go. Got dancing skulls. So that worked pretty good. So leave a comment and a like and subscribe. And I hope you like this.